Understanding can't hold a candle. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, can't hold a candle. If you've ever wondered what it means when someone says that one thing can't hold a candle to another, you're in the right place. This expression has a rich history and offers great insight into comparative language. Let's illuminate the meaning together. The phrase, can't hold a candle, originates from a time before electric lights, when people used candles to see in the dark. Apprentices or assistants would hold candles so that more experienced workers could see to complete a task. If someone couldn't hold a candle to another, it meant they weren't even skilled enough to assist the more competent person. Today, it's used to say that someone or something is not nearly as good, skilled, or qualified as someone or something else. When using can't hold a candle, you're making a comparison. It's often used to highlight a significant gap in quality or ability between two things. For example, saying, "This homemade pie can't hold a candle to my grandmother's recipe," suggests that the homemade pie is far inferior to the grandmother's. It's a way to express that something doesn't measure up to the standard of another thing. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. 1. Even though the new coffee shop is good, it can't hold a candle to the cozy atmosphere and rich flavors of the old cafe downtown. 2. The sequel to the movie was entertaining, but it couldn't hold a candle to the original's storytelling and character development. 3. Despite his efforts, he can't hold a candle to her in mathematics. She's just in a league of her own. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to compare skills, experiences, products, and more. It's interesting to note that can't hold a candle is primarily used in informal settings. You might find it in casual conversations, creative writing, or informal discussions. While it's understood in many English-speaking cultures, always consider your audience. For learners, understanding such phrases enriches your language skills and helps you grasp the nuances of English. We hope this video sheds light on the expression, can't hold a candle. It's a vivid reminder of how history shapes language and how comparisons can be made creatively. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions like this one adds color and depth to your English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use can't hold a candle in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.